Hello, Instagram lovers. Welcome to Quick Tech Pro. In this video, I will show you a simple but very useful trick, how to save Instagram Reels to your gallery. This way you can enjoy your favorite videos even when you're offline. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you have the app updated to enjoy all the features. Head over to the Reels section within the app. Find the reel you want to save to your gallery and select it. Once you are viewing the reel, look for the icon that resembles a paper airplane in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to open the sharing options. In the menu that pops up, swipe to the right to explore the different options. Find and select the Download option. This will start downloading the reel to your device. Wait for the download to complete. Once finished, go to your device's gallery to confirm that the reel has been saved successfully. There you will find the video ready to be played at any time. And that's it. Now you know how to save Instagram Reels to your gallery in a quick and easy way. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments. See you next time.